You can create UML State Machine Diagram in Visual Paradigm Online OpenDocs, and the steps you take depend on whether you want the diagram to be reusable or just part of a single page. If you need a diagram that can appear on multiple pages, start by clicking the plus icon on a node and choose New Component Page. This adds a new diagram component beneath that node. When the system asks for the diagram type, select State Machine Diagram and the editor will open. Inside the editor, you can build the diagram from scratch or let the Create with AI feature generate an initial layout for you. Just be aware that using AI will overwrite anything already in the canvas. After the AI produces the first version, you can refine the states, transitions, and behaviors to match your design. Once you're satisfied, click Save in the top right corner and use the left arrow to go back to your page. Your state machine diagram is now stored as a reusable component that you can insert anywhere in your knowledge base. To place it on a page, open that page in Edit mode, click Insert. Choose Diagram and select Import Existing. Pick your state machine diagram and it will appear immediately. If you don't need the diagram to be shared across pages, you can also create it directly inside a single page. Go to Insert, choose Diagrams, and select State Machine Diagram. The editor opens the same way, and you can either draw the diagram manually or generate it with AI. Again, you can modify the AI-generated diagram if needed. Save your changes, close the editor, and the diagram will be embedded right on the page.